Ngirimiti no ikiritwo kirore ni munene wa University ya Juba John Akek amwe na munene wa University ya Zitek Prof Njenga munene. Prof Njenga munene augite wuiguano yo niukuhotithia tabarira cia gucenjanio kwa arutwo na arutani gatagati ka mathukuru maya meri ari njira ya kugayana uge.
We are here to sign a memorandum of understanding to collaborate in different areas of study. In doing staff and student exchanges, in building joint curriculums and offering them jointly, and also doing joint research and consultancies together.
Tabarira ino ni irigirirwo kwambiriria mwaka uyu na ho ikirongoreria kumatia gucenjanio ya bururi wa Kenya na bururi wa South Sudan. Munene wa University ya Juba Prof Akek agitugiria University wa Zitek ni kunyitanira na University kuma bururi wa Naja.
This is a follow-up meeting after my visit to South Sudan in month of February, where we had discussions in Juba, and it culminated into the current MOU which we have just signed. We are looking forward to starting training between the two countries within the course of this year.
Very important to get outside your house and to see the neighbor's house. There is so much learning that can happen for both the top administrators and also the staff and the students.
Hamwe na kwambatiria gikiro kia mathomo mathukuru-ini maya meri, ngirimiti ino ni irigirirwo gukuria njira cia gutabania uthuthuria wa githomo.
Very impressed by what I've seen here. Is really a very innovative university, very dynamic, and we hope that we will get some of this energy into our university system.
Specifically, we would want to begin not in everything, but one area where we want to start collaborating is in the area of hospitality and tourism. Then other programs will follow.